Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I got the OnePlus 8T here, and I want to share with you how you can switch up the animation effect when it comes to your optical fingerprint scanner. So basically after you go ahead and set up your fingerprint sensor on the OnePlus 8T, you can go ahead and choose an animation effect. So let me go ahead and share with you how you can choose the different animations. What you want to do is go into settings, and once you are underneath settings, you want to go into customization. Now you're going to see these different windows that are going to appear here, and you want to choose the fingerprint animation. Now, once you do that, you're going to see all the different animation effects that are available. So as of right now, I have the energy animation, but there's also a Cosmos animation, and you can kind of see how that's looking there. And then you also have this ripple animation. And there's one last animation, which is the stripe animation. Now, if you decide you don't like any of these animations, you can just go with none, and you won't have any type of animation being shown on your OnePlus 8T. Let me go into Cosmos here, and if you want to set an animation effect, just choose the one, hit save, and you're basically good to go after that point. And you can see how this animation effect is going to look now. Looks really cool in my opinion. So that is the Cosmos. Let's go into Ripple. We'll save that one. Just kind of take a look at how this one looks. So that one looks pretty cool also. I really like how all these look. And we'll go ahead and do Stripe as well. Save that. And let's see how that one's going to look. Very, very cool looking. And once more. But that's basically it. That is how you can switch up the fingerprint animation effects on your OnePlus 8T. So if you found this video helpful, informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button. And please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I will talk to you on the next one.